marami kaming na-experience dito. Sabi ko nga, yung imposible naging posible.
Today, as we witness the graduation rites of the finest recruits and graduates of the Basic Correctional Officer Custodial Basic Course Class of 2024-02 or the DASIG class. It is inherent that they are being capacitated and being prepared to render their services guided by the existing policies, directives, and orders. Moreover, to the newly graduates, the expectation of the institution is so high, and the demands of your services will continue to expand by virtue of your position and rank in the succeeding years.
The testament of their hard work and resilience. The class Dasiktikas, you have endured rigorous training. You have to push beyond your limit and emerge for stronger as you go along to the next chapter of your career. Carry with you the values and discipline.
The honor to present to you the 128 strong COCBC Class 2024-02 DASIG TCAS with 39 female and 89 male recommended for graduation and may request, sir, for your confirmation.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as a Deputy Director of Correction National Training Institute, I hereby declare that Correction Officer Custodial Basic Course Class 2024-02 DASIG TCAS graduate effective this day.
Sobrang saya. Walang mapagsidlan ng tuwa ang aking nararamdaman ngayon. Kasi yung more than 6 months na pinagdaanan ko at ng ating mga co-trainees is masasabi namin worthy lahat ng sacrifices na ginawa namin. Iyak, yung pagod, yung puyat, and masasabi ko na deserve namin, and masaya ako kasi makakapiling ko na yung pamilya ko sa akin. Laging isipin, paraging mag-isip 5 hanggang 10 beses bago gawin ang isang bagay. At magtulungan sa bawat isa. At maging buo ang DASIG TCAS ngayon hanggang sa pag-retiro natin.
Let this be a reminder that the most important aspect of the prison is the human dimension. Since prisons are primarily concerned with people, 2 basic elements of the prisons are the prisoners and the officers and staff who took after them. That's why a correctional officer must possess proper training and education in order to discharge their respective duties and responsibilities with proficiency. To the graduates of the Basic Correction Officer Custodial Basic Course Class of 2024-02, the DASIG TCAS, my warmest congratulations to all of you. Good luck and Godspeed.